Solar energy is the harnessing of sunlight to produce heat or electricity. It works by either converting sunlight directly into electricity using photovoltaic cells or solar panels, or concentrating sunlight to heat a fluid that generates electricity. Solar energy helps people by providing a renewable, clean, and abundant energy source for various applications, including powering homes and businesses, heating water, and even large-scale power generation.
How solar energy works. Solar panels made of photovoltaic cells capture sunlight. The cells are typically composed of semiconductor materials like silicon. When sunlight hits the photovoltaic cells, it excites electrons in the semiconductor material, creating an electric current. The generated electricity is initially direct current. An inverter converts it into alternating current, the type used in most homes and businesses. The electricity can be used directly, stored in batteries, or sent back to the grid.
The benefits of solar energy in environment: reduces greenhouse gas emissions and air pollution compared to fossil fuel-based power generation. In economic: lower electricity cost for homeowners and businesses, creates jobs in manufacturing, installation, and maintenance.